Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, today is Thursday, the fourth day of the week. And as you know, there are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Today is fourth day and it's turn for our English class. And in today's English class, I'm going to teach you to read and recognize alphabet capital and small A to Z. And then we will learn phonic sounds of letters A to N. Then I will teach you to write capital letters A to N in series in the notebook. And then we will revise the rhyme Incy Wincy Spider. So children, come on, let's start today's learning. Children, now let's learn capital and small alphabet together. A, see capital A, small a. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Now comes B. This is capital B and small b. B for ball. Yes, you can see a colorful ball, and B for bat to play with it. Now comes C. This is capital C and small c. C for cat and C for crow. This is D, capital D and small d. D for dog and D for drum. Here comes E, capital E and small e. E for egg and E for elephant. This is F, capital F and small f. F for fish and F for frog. This is G, capital G and small g. G for grapes and G for goat. Here comes H, capital H and small h. H for hat, H for hen. This is capital I and small I. I for ice cream and I for ink pot. J. This is capital J and small j. J for jug and J for joker. Children, this is capital K and this is small k. K for kite and K for king. Capital L and small l. L for leaf. L for lion. This is capital M. And here comes small m. M for man and M for monkey. Capital N and small n. N for nose, N for nest. Now comes capital O and small o. O for orange and O for octopus. This is capital P and small p. P for pencil, P for parrot. This is capital Q and small q. Q for queen and Q for quilt, matlab rajai. Children, this is capital R and here comes small r. R for ribbon and R for rabbit. This is capital S and small s. S for soap, S for sunflower. Capital T and small t. T for table and T for tree. Capital U, small u. U for umbrella and U for utensils. This is V. V and this is small v. V for van, V for vase. This is capital W and small w. W for watch, W for whale. This is X and small x. X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray. Capital Y, small y. Y for yak, Y for yarn. Children, the last alphabet is capital Z and small z. Z for zebra and Z for zoo. Children, now it's time to learn and revise phonic sounds. Children, phonetic sounds are very important. If you are able to learn them, then you will be able to read books easily, children. So come on, let's revise them and you also speak with me. This is the first letter A, capital A and small a. A says A. The sound of A is A. After A comes B. B says B. The sound of B is B. After B comes C. C says K. Children, speak after me. The sound of C is K. C. After C comes D. D says D. The sound of D is D. After D comes E. E says Eh. E says Eh. After E comes F. F says F. After F comes G. G says G. The sound of G is G. After G comes H. The sound of H is H. H. H says H. After H comes I. I says E. The sound of I is E. After I comes J. J says J. The sound of J is J. After J comes the next letter. It is K. K says K. And this K is kicking K because C says also K and K says also K. So how to differentiate it? So we have kept it like this K. K is kicking K. After K comes L. L says L. Tongue will go up. L says L. L. Lion. Leaf. Lamb. L says L. After L comes M. The sound of M is M. M. M says M. After M comes N. N says N. Tongue will again rolled up and it will go up. N. N says N. Children, I hope now it's clear. Now you're able to learn the sounds of letters from A to N. Learn them and make your videos on it also and send them to me. Children, now I will teach you to write capital letters A to N in series. Now look at the board, children. This is today's day. Today is 24th September and you have to write A to N. And we will start with capital letter A. Put your pencil on the red line, make 2 slanting lines and 1 sleeping line. In this way you have to write A. After A comes B. Standing line and 2 semicircles. In this way you have to make B. After B, C. A big semicircle like this. C. This is letter C. After C comes D, standing line and a semicircle, ulta semicircle. Okay, like this. You have to make D. After D comes E, capital E, standing line and 3 sleeping lines. Like this, children, you have to write capital E. After E comes F, standing line and two sleeping lines. One will be longer and the second one will be shorter. Like this, children, you have to make capital F. After F comes G. First make C and then remove your hand, small sleeping line and a standing line and touch it. Like this. You have to make G. After G comes H. Two standing line and one sleeping line. In this way you have to write capital H. After H comes I, standing line and two sleeping lines. This is capital I. After I comes J. Standing line, turn it, make a hook like this and touch the first blue line like this and then make a sleeping line. In this way you have to write J, capital J. After J comes K. Standing line and two slanting lines like this, children. In this way you have to write capital K. After K comes L. Standing line and a sleeping line on the second blue line like this. You have to write L. After L comes M. Two standing lines, a dot in between and then two slanting lines like this, children. In this way you have to write M. After M comes N. Two standing lines and one slanting line like this. Children, in this way you have to write A to N in series. Now I will teach you in your notebook. Children, you have to write capital A to N in your English notebook. And before writing this, you have to write today's date. And today is 24th September. 24.9.2020. You have to write like this. Alright, children, now let's start writing capital A first. From the red line, you have to make slanting line like this and another slanting line, and then you have to make a sleeping line in between. Like this, children, you have to write A. After A comes B, standing line and two semicircles like this, B. From top red line to the second blue line, you have to make a big semicircle like this. You have to write C. After C comes D, standing line and another semicircle like this, children, D. After D comes E, standing line and three sleeping lines, C. In this way you have to write capital E. After E comes F, standing line and two sleeping lines. The first one will be longer and the second one will be a bit shorter. After F comes G. First you have to make C and then remove your hand. Then make a small sleeping line and then a standing line like this and join it with the C. And in this way you have to write capital G. After G comes H. Two standing lines and one sleeping line in between like this, H. After H comes I. Standing line and two sleeping lines. One on the red line and second one on the second blue line. After I comes J. Standing line, turn it and make a hook till the first blue line and then make a sleeping line like this, children. This is capital J. After J comes K. Standing line and two slanting lines like this, children. This is capital K. After K comes L. Standing line and a sleeping line on the second blue line. After L comes M. Two standing lines. Put a dot on the second blue line and two slanting lines like this. After M comes N. two standing lines and one slanting line like this. In this way, children, you have to speak and write capital letters A to N. Write one page of it and send its picture to me. Bye-bye. Children, now it's rhymes time. Go and bring your rhyme book and open page number 10 and take out the rhyme, Incy Wincy Spider. And come on, recite after me. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Incy Wincy Spider is a very hard-working spider. He never gives up. He always tries and tries, and in the last he succeeds. So आपको समझ में आई? Incy Wincy Spider बहुत मेहनती है. वो कभी भी किसी चीज को, किसी काम को अधूरे में नहीं छोड़ता है. हमेशा उसको पूरा करके दम लेता है. Children, always be like him. Alright, never give up your goals. So let us recite this rhyme again with actions. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Children, learn the rhyme with action the way I taught you and make your videos on it and send them to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.